And I'm sure the birds would love the flowers and the fruit, and maybe I would get some too. Anyway, so that plant trip is an amazingly huge proposal. It requires probably 2 nights in Mexico City. It could be that the trucks get loaded during that day, and then it's possible we could drive right then with the trucks back home. One option is to taxi it, and that'd be about $130 each way, so $260 just for transport for 3 people. But don't have to drive, don't have to park. Like I said, the hotel is near the gardens. We don't want to drive around in Mexico City anyway, so taking some form of thing where someone else is driving is actually ideal. It's tempting to think that you'd need to do an advanced trip and just scope it out. That's a whole nother trip. It could be a slower trip, you know, and enjoy Mexico City, but this is not a very good time to enjoy Mexico City. I think focusing just on the plants should be this crazy goal. I think with also meeting with each owner that you can of any nursery and getting their name, get a picture with them, and catalog them. Especially catalog them in my own mind of whether I want to work with them and also what kind of plants they specialize in, because I really am serious about biodiversity here. And in many cases we could buy 2 or 3 of a plant, sometimes just one, and the forest will slowly fill with that plant in various niches. It's overwhelming to think about. There's a lot of work involved in research and decisions. I would love to have such funding at the level where that wasn't my biggest concern. In other words, when I look at each plant, each species, I'm evaluating it on where does it come from? Is it common here somewhere? Is it invasive in any way or damaging in any way or toxic? And how would it fit in here? Just imagine that plant here. To the degree, I mean, I can read web pages and read about the culture of it, where it comes from, and working off of non-personal knowledge. Looking up, you know, what food can you make from it is just really important thing. Yeah. And then putting all that in a spreadsheet. Taking their spreadsheet ideally and just annotating it would be great so I can sort it.